Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video the 8 moves of snake head technique for beginner and make you win all fights. So follow me, snake kung fu for beginner. So let's talk about today. We got to learn the 8 movement of a snake head. So we have a couple different type of head technique today. We're gonna present to you. So follow me step by step, move by move with the details. I guarantee you will learning good snake kung fu. First one we got called 横推掌. 横推掌. So your hand is from your set way to go this way. So the power to attack. So the second one you were learning single strike. So your single hand with your finger straight to attack. Also you're learning a double straight hand. So you're learning 下托掌. 托掌 is from down to up. Also you're learning the 下劈掌. The 下劈掌 from top go down with your all power. Let's start the first move on step by step. Follow me now. So attention, you both hands on your side and your feet together, standing straight, chin up, open your chest, open your shoulder, stay confident. The first move, you both hands from down and slow go up the flat level, stay tall like your shoulder. And you both hands come back to your shoulder and open, all the way open, and come back to your waist, become vertical, 立掌 back to your waist. 1, arm straight. 2, come back your shoulder and straight your both hands from top and flat and come back your waist, become a palm like this. So for this opening move, your fingers all open like this and your shot in, this make it flat. And you come back your shoulder and you come back to front and you quick come back your waist, become vertical because you're ready for attack. So after this move, we got to do the first straight move. Okay, powerful, right? So this straight palm, as we mentioned before, you go 横推掌. So your hands go this way. So why we go this way? The hand tag, how to use for? Actually, you use more for this part than this part. This is another technique. So once you go push, you push by this part, and go, and go, so you can attack the chest or the neck. So let's use the bar right here, right? So once we go push, boom. So normally we do pump. We can't go pump like this way, but this have more power, right? This part, right? So we got to use this part to attack the chin, and then other side, and go other side. So how your waist work? So in normal Norse style, so you go boom, boom. That is big, but we need multiple attack, which is speed. So your waist is just slightly to move a little bit. Then you got this. So you go, you see, you just slightly to move because you can generate much more speed and power with this one. How the step go? So once your feet, you go back, you go 1 small step back, and this one is same thing. You step back, and same thing, and another one. So we do 3 times. You go 1 small step, and 2, and straight, short forward, and fast, right? Okay, great. So like continue with after this. So finish this one, your hand. So quick open your snake hand. This is single strike. This is 45 up one, single strike top part. So this one normally to attack the middle part or the upper. And after this, go quick. So you say this is different. You got waist go. You go quick twist your waist and you go your left hand attack. This can be attack the side for chin or attack the side way of your neck, like right here. You go. So very important. You see the power generate from your core. So your center of your body, your waist. That is so important. So important. You go to attack like this. And same thing at the other side. Your hand to pull back. You have the balance of power and with that strike. So power. So you can practice with this if you have Bob in home. Even not, you still can. To multiple training to slowly feels the power generate from your heel. So from the feet, you see here, your heel up and push your knee and your waist, then come back to your shoulder with your hand. So that's the whole move. 1, 2, 3, the same line, and you got and then you get the power. It's great. You go right and left. So we continue for the next part. So as soon you got 35 single strike, and now you go almost flat, right? The flat, straightforward. That is very simple and powerful strike, and that can be straightforward to anywhere with your opponents. Just right there and right there. So you can straightforward to attack right there. The single, just like you do the punch, but with the snake hand, of course, you got to make your fingers all together, but really tight and power. So this is really strong. So you got feet. That's the single strike, right? So after this couple move, you got straight palms, and then you go up. Now you go single strike, a nice one, even more power. So you gotta go double strike. So this is a cross move. You go 1 and 2, come back, and from shoulder, so shoulder drop, all power, right your hand. So you have a double hand, you have double power. So same thing, if you attack, so you got to attack, both fingers strong, and then push, right the neck, but even more dangerous for your eye. Oh my gosh, I'm so enjoyed to teaching you. So let's continue to get this. So I feel so exciting. Let's do it. I've got this double. One of the things very important, the steps to make even stronger action strike. So the feet can help you. So how your feet work, you go straight, right? So you go cross your hand. So once you come back, you feet together. Then once you attack your both hand, you make the same strong your steps, just like you go boom, the punch. And without that step, and your punch will be, even you got so quick with your punch, but that bigger than you, the big steps, right? So very important, come back, you make strong step, at same time, all power in one. Waist, your feet, and your hand. That's double strike, deadly. All right, so continue for next part. So once we go here, and the next move called 脱掌. So 脱掌, you step at the same time, you go your both hands, just like how we go this. But now you make another step, strong steps, and with your both hands go up. So this is how to use. That is someone to punch you, even single punch or double punch. You can go around, you go down, and you go boom. And this can be extend the power to broken the joint. Is very deadly technique. The same thing if you have block right here. This is the arm. So you can repeat it training with 上脱掌 very very strong. Okay, almost go there. Woo. Okay, keep going. So once you finish right here, boom. And we have the last one. So the 下切掌. Of course, the hand is from the top. Go down. So 下切掌. 下 is down. You got. So this is can be or so any part you can way how to use it. So you go 上 and 下. So from up and go down. This technique, once you go up, relax your shoulder and your elbow. And you go drop down with this part of your palm, and you go attack down, right there, right? So the steps is the same thing. We have the last 3 moves, all have the same technique with the steps. The first one, you gotta go double one step, strong step, and the same thing, strong step. And after this, you say your hand rotate left and right. And you go with the power. And what this is used for is the same thing. If someone punch, you go grabbing, and this is a blocking move. Blocking, and then you go strike. And blocking, and strike. Blocking, strike. So keep practice. And shoulder, waist, a smally move, just like I mentioned before. Not like Norse style, so big movement, right? It's small. And this is a small. Whisk, and you go attack. So you have the power. The same thing. Okay, give me a second. I gotta take a stick. So this is a good example. If this is a punch or a kick, something to attack you. So this is grabbing and this is a strike. The same thing. This hand and go strike and go strike and go strike. So you can practice with this way. And same thing for the steps. So your arm rotate, you go up, your feet getting closer, and you make that small step, but same time strong with step and strike. So you can repeat practice. So if you are beginners, as I said, I mentioned for last lesson, so the methods for beginners, we have similar question. People ask, how many times, how many days do we need a training and to achieve good Kung Fu? So my answer is the same thing, depends your time and training much is possible. Don't think you can achieve the highest level of Kung Fu in one day. You have to break down, give some patience. You will be get there one day, right, my friend? So what is my suggestion? If you're like a baby, if you're learning Kung Fu, it's brand new, just like a baby, right? You can just barely walk, then you just try to walk good, to walk stable, to make good walk. So don't run, don't fly until you get there, all right, my friend? Thank you very much. Okay. So this is a little intensive, but I like it. So some friend ask me as well, so why you do YouTube? Why you do YouTube radio? The answer is I like to teaching, I enjoy teaching, simply like that. And you know, the Chinese martial arts is very deep and very wide. So my purpose here is not only to teach you movement, but also I want you to be mentally strong, your body strong, you never give up, your confidence. I want to give all that kind of things. And every time I'm here to make a video, my purpose is to make the best video to help you, to serve you, to make you to be better. But you should have a goal as well. Once you come here to watch my video, you should to watch until the end. You're really doing it and learning it to achieve the real Kung Fu as much as possible each time you're here. Otherwise, why you're here? And lastly, I'm doing the video right here is for you. It's not for YouTube algorithm. I'm not fight for what good topic can make more views. I fight for how I can to do good videos with good content for your lesson. So I see you in next video. I love you all and bye bye.